Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create arrow infographics design in PowerPoint. I have created two designs, two different backgrounds. It is fully animated. So let's see how to do this tutorial in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, right mouse click, go to format background and change to gradient fill. You can select any color as you like. In that case, I have used a dark blue and the light blue combination. Go to insert, shapes and select for rounded rectangle. Increase the size, maybe the width you can make it, the height you can make it 1.1 and it can be something 3 or more than 3.1 maybe or 2. Go to insert again, shapes, select triangle, rotate the triangle to the 90 degrees right and change the no outlines and the color of the objects to be white. Increase the size and bring it on top of the rounded corner rectangle. You can align middle. Go to insert, shapes and select trapezoid. Adjust the size, rotate it and bring on the top by changing the color. Zoom it so that you can align it properly. Remove the outlines. Select all the three objects and make it align middle. Select the rounded rectangle and then the trapezoid. Under format, just adjust it. Maybe the width is, I have put it too much, so let's reduce it. Select the rectangle and the trapezoid, merge and say subtract, and you can give one more shape here. Give some different color, orange, and remove the outlines. I have given the width height as 1.05 inches and say send to back. It has to be properly aligned. If it is not aligned, you can do it again later stage. Go to select the object and give some shadow effect, and you can increase the distance and the blur size, you can increase it. And for this also I'm going to give some shadow effect. And I've just given a text there, step 01, and I have grouped it, which actually I forgot to record that. And just you can make sure that the step or the text is not visible there. Bring it inside so that it will not be visible. Yes. I have added some animation, but the animation that I will be showing at the later stage. At this stage, there's no need to show the animation. That's the reason I skipped that one. Now I've added some icons. You can download the icons from the nounproject.com, and you can add some headings here. And it should be the same color as the trapezoid. And you can add your subtitle here. Reduce the size of the font. And group both the fonts. I'm going to add a small hollow circle. Bring to the edge or the corner of the rectangle and change the color of the shape. And I'm going to add one more line to this one. Make sure the line is straight and change the color and group it. Select all the other objects and press Ctrl D and group it, and then you can rotate it to horizontal and align it just below the top arrow. Again, make it down. So you can make it maybe 5 arrows or 6 arrows, depend on the slide size or the size of the slide. And you can align to the center of the screen. And it's the time to change the color. Right mouse click, go to the format object, select the small rectangle and change the color. If you want, you can give the gradient fill as well here, but due to time constraints I cannot do that one. So you can choose whatever the best color you like or your favorite colors, and make sure that it should complement with the background, and don't select any colors which is hiding with the background. So use complementary colors. And I'm going to add more this design by pressing Ctrl D, and you have to copy to the other side as well. Sorry for that. Align it and group it back. and then you can change the colors. Change the line color as well. Similarly, change all the colors. So I've changed all the colors now. Now it's time to change the text. So I've gone to the select in the home, select and select selection all, and then you can just select that object, and if you see, it will show you which object you have selected. And hide that one, and then you can see, just change that one. This will be the step 2. Again, so that I'm going to just do the other one, hide it and change the text. This is the easiest way you can edit the text if the text is behind some object. Alright, so we have changed all the text here. Now it's time to do some animation work. Select the object and animation, select fly in and make it from right. And I'm going to select this object and go down and select motion paths line, and instead of going down, first of all zoom in, and then you can just bring it to this side, and then you can just change the effects, make it more bounce effect, and timing, make it fast. And this you can make it with previous. And the heading also, you can add the wipe effect. Wipe effect you can give it from right, and this is also with previous. And this is how it will look like. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. Again, I'm going to use the same animation effect. Again, the motion paths line, make it to the right. And you can follow the similar step for the rest of the objects. I'm not going to show all, I've just showed 2, and you can do the remaining one. This first one and the second one, I'm just going to change to fast and adjust the settings. and this is my previous which I have done. This is my first slide. So if you see the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, 5 and 6. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.